Hello everybody, welcome to Marilyn's Kitchen. I'm here today to make puris, lovely puris and chicken curry. So dip the puris in the chicken curry and eat. I will show you both the recipes. Let me knead first the puris atta because it has to be kept to rise for half an hour. So let's begin. I have taken half kg of wheat flour. Half kg of wheat flour. Now, first I will put in 2 tablespoons of rava. Why we put rava? It gives the crispiness. I'll put in some salt. Okay. Then, to soak the rava, I'll put 2 teaspoons of oil. Now, since don't use ghee. Since I use coconut oil for my cooking, I prefer to put coconut oil. Okay? And soak it. So remember, I have put rolong and oil. Then use 2 tablespoons of rice flour, because this also enhances the crispiness of the puris, doesn't make it very soft. Then this is maida. 2 tablespoons of maida. That is all-purpose flour. Now, why maida? That will give a soft and crunchy taste. Rice flour will give it crunchy taste, and maida will help to bind it and make it soft. Okay. Now remember, I put salt, oil, rava, rice flour. Salt. Now mix in this. This is 500 grams of rice, wheat flour. So that you mix all this together. Why? Because all that flour, rava, rice flour mix, it should become one with the wheat flour. Okay. Now the next step is make a well. Put little water. Don't put much because this has to be kneaded in stages. Now here I will put a little bit sugar. Why the sugar? It gives color to the puris. Little, brownish color. Reddish brownish color. That gives the puris look good. Once the sugar melts, I'll start kneading. Little by little you have to knead. Okay. Don't put the water all together because you have seen me kneading my chapati flour, many things. This flour has to be kneaded hard, not soft, because it will rise up after you keep it half an hour. Lagi yun na tayo.
Coconut oil jai.
Okay, this is the way it has to be kneaded. Hard, because it will puff up. Now, because it should not dry, I will apply some oil. And keep it for half an hour. Okay, as my chicken is getting cooked, I'm with the puris here. See, look how well it has. Okay, now divide this into 3 portions. Cover the rest till I make the balls. I'm covering this because till I heat the oil. Okay, I have to heat the oil. Come. I'm going to heat the oil with medium flame because till I roll the puris. Okay, just a minute. You don't have to put dry flour, okay? And see how big you want. Roll it from the sides, not in the center, because the center will become thin and the sides will become thick. So roll it from all sides. You saw how hard we had kneaded, and after rising it has become correct. After frying we shall see the texture of it. Come, let's check if the oil is hot. Come. Oh, it has to get a little more hot. Now let the oil be on the medium flame. Now with this you have to keep on, because it has to come up. Done. The second one. You have to move it with the ladle to allow it to puff. Yes. Let the oil be on the medium flame. I'll try another two and show you. Okay, look, hot. While eating the chicken, you can you see me eating the puris with the chicken. Till now, so much. Okay, thank you for watching my videos frying the puris.